HCTI Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Overviewing healthcare triangle, I do see another freaking trading day with almost 8% correction. Now, do not get me wrong. This is a demand zone, which is solid. And as long as in demand zone, I see a double break, I'm very open-minded and keen to buy. But man, look at this thing. Like, holy crap. Like, if I pop up with HCTI here, you will see that I have made previous receipts with 13 results. But unless I see any sort of like a shift or a double break here, then there's just going to be no way that I'm going to look to virtually buy. Like, rules must be met in order for me to continue. And guess what? Like, I'm open-minded for the long side, but more like than not, we're just going to kind of fill in a gap or whatever. And yeah, that's where we're sitting at right now. It's at 2 cents. Relatively speaking, if you want my exact blueprint that I've refined over 43,000 videos over 5 years, and guess what? It's all documented on my YouTube channel, then you can just click the first link in the description. Absolutely first free. This is up until like 10th of July. 1,200 people that tried it, and I'll continue to keep you updated.